So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming a pack with me video. I'm going to Vegas next week for my 29th birthday to see the one and only Jonas Brothers, of course. If you guys don't know me, you know I'm a big ass Jonas Brothers fan. My friends, and yeah, we're going again to Vegas because they're doing another couple days residency, and I said, why not? That being said, we're gonna start packing. I also got some packing cubes that I'm gonna test out. So as you guys see, I have pretty much everything laid out here on what I want to pack. I try to figure it out ahead of time, and we're just gonna start packing. Work on this one first and do some smaller items. So now we're gonna go through my travel bag that I bring on the plane with me. This is my bag. I bring it every trip. It is my go-to bag. I got it at Target, I want to say. Target or Walmart. I don't remember. But it just has a lot of pockets, which I like. So first, in this first compartment, I have Lysol wipes just in case, tissues, and lotion. You never know. Then there's another little pocket. I have wipes for my glasses. I have Miralax and a pad. I'm probably gonna put another pad in here. Then in this little pocket, I just keep hand sanitizer. I'm gonna fill this up, but this is a good size one. And my motion sickness bands, because I get a little bit motion sickness on the plane. Not too bad these days. In this one, I'm gonna have my medicine. This is the medicine bag I use. I'll tell you guys what I bring every trip. I have some nasal spray. I'm bringing some of these pain reliever patches just in case. They work wonders though. Motrin, Tylenol, my stomach medicine, and some motion sickness relief, so I can have that on the plane. Like I said, Band-Aids, allergy medicine for my stomach in case it's a little off or something. I have some probiotics that helps a lot. In this pocket, I normally don't put a lot. I think I'm gonna put the sweatshirt in here though. I have some masks, even though we don't wear masks as much anymore. I still am gonna wear them on the plane and like to keep some extra with me. And then we're gonna bring our tablet this time because this is my tablet. I do have a video on it, so definitely go check that out. If you want a tablet unboxing or what's on my tablet. I know I have something, but I can do an updated of what. But this is the tablet I bring. I'm just gonna bring it to watch stuff. But this is the brick that I bring every traveling. It's great. I got it on Amazon. that in there along with my tablet charger. So that is everything that I'm packing with me on my trip to Vegas. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. I probably will add things and go through it one more time before I leave, but overall I think that's pretty good. If you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for the Vegas vlogs that are coming your way soon. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.